Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to add the Gboard keyboard on your iPhone. That's right, if you're tired of the standard iOS keyboard, you can easily switch it up and use Google's keyboard on your Apple device. In this video, I'm going to give you a super easy step-by-step guide on how to install Gboard and set it as your default keyboard. It's a simple process that anyone can follow, so don't worry if you're not a tech whiz. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Fix Zone for more useful tech tips and tricks. It really helps the channel grow. Okay, let's get started. Step 1. Download Gboard from the App Store. First, head over to the App Store on your iPhone. Search for Gboard, that's Gboard. Once you find it, go ahead and download and install the app. It's free, so no worries there. Screen recording, show the App Store, searching for Gboard, downloading and installing the app. Step 2. Enable Gboard in Settings. Now that Gboard is installed, we need to enable it in your iPhone settings. To do this, go to your iPhone Settings app. Scroll down until you find General, and tap on it. Screen recording, show navigating to Settings-General. Step 3. Keyboard Settings. Within General, find and tap on Keyboard. And then tap on Keyboards again. Screen recording, show navigating to General-Keyboard-Keyboards. Step 4. Add new keyboard. Now, you'll see a list of your currently installed keyboards. Tap on Add New Keyboard. Screen recording, show tapping Add New Keyboard. Step 5. Select Gboard. Scroll through the list of available keyboards until you find Gboard. Tap on it to add it to your list of keyboards. Screen recording, show scrolling and selecting Gboard. Step 6. Allow full access, optional but recommended. Now, tap on Gboard in the list of keyboards. You'll see an option for Allow Full Access. This is optional, but if you want to use all of Gboard's features, like GIFs and stickers, you'll need to enable it. Screen recording, show tapping on Gboard in the list, showing the Allow Full Access toggle. You'll get a warning message about privacy. Just read through it and if you're comfortable, toggle Allow Full Access on. Keep in mind that this allows Gboard to access everything you type, so make sure you trust Google. Step 7. Using Gboard. Okay, Gboard is now installed and enabled. To use it, open any app where you can type, like Messages, Notes, or even Safari. Screen recording, open a messaging app or note app. When the keyboard appears, tap and hold on the globe icon, or the emoji icon, at the bottom left of the keyboard. A list of your installed keyboards will pop up. Select Gboard. Screen recording, show tapping and holding the globe icon and selecting Gboard. And that's it. You're now using Gboard on your iPhone. You can easily switch back to the default Apple keyboard by using the same globe icon. Screen recording, demonstrate typing with Gboard and switching back to the Apple keyboard. So that's how you add Gboard to your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And again, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Fix Zone for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.